Our Cascade 75% keyboard was designed purely with essentials in mind, but we wanted to create a keyboard with maximum function while retaining a minimal form. Introducing Cascade 98 Slim, the first low-profile keyboard with a full-size number pad. To minimize input errors, we've included the traditional large-size 0 that many industries are accustomed to. Compact keyboards sacrifice the number pad and function row to give you more space, but the Cascade 98 retains those functions and the compact spirit with little compromise. In addition, a solid aluminum casing sits on top of the Cascade 98, providing a durable workspace partner for your devices. If you prefer an alternate feel, you can easily customize your experience anytime with Hot-Swappable switches. And if an individual switch ever malfunctions, you can change it out for another, rather than replacing your entire keyboard, extending the lifespan of your investment. The built-in foam dampers give you enhanced acoustics, reducing vibration and rattle for a fluid typing experience. To enhance your experience furthermore, pair the Cascade with 3 different types of connections. Plug in via USB and Type away. Switch to RF mode for a wireless connection, providing a hassle-free typing experience. Or easily switch to Bluetooth mode with a click of a button. Cascade 98 offers the ability to connect up to 5 devices at a time, seamlessly. And go from Mac to PC with a single click. Bring color and personality to your space with 36 RGB options and lighting modes. And customize the height of your keyboard to maximize the comfort of your wrists. Available in either slim or standard body profile, choose what best fits your lifestyle. The Cascade 98. Pre-order now on Kickstarter.